So you're leaving the tender here?
Yeah, I think so. It slows down a little bit. So yeah, we'll put it here. And, it'll make a good cushion when we come back in case we're coming a bit too fast.
Yeah, lovely.
Good thing.
I like the thought that you put on.
Yeah, it's a bit of softwood. I lost the old one over the course, and the thing ended up upside down one night.
Good solution.
Yeah.
And what's the outboard? Is that a 40 plus?
Well, it's a story about that. It's got the body of a Century. It's got the gearbox of a 40 plus, and the base of it is a featherweight. But it's still got a few other little adjustments to it, so it's actually the best of all the models, really.
It's a bit of a Heist 57.
Oh man, it works. You can tow this boat with that engine, I tell you. It does it.
They're great when they get wet.
Oh yeah.
They still work.
Yeah, it's been upside down. It's been in the river.
It's been in the river
many times. Yeah.
Does it start first go or?
Yeah. Would you like a quick demonstration? I mean, you never know. It might be not, but shall we try it?
No, we'll get the lot.
I'll
take your word for it, Aidan.
Okay. All right.
Legendary Seagull.
Right.